All the trannies in the house, clap your hands. All the trannies in the house, raise your hands. All the trannies in the house, clap your hands. Cause there are trannies in the house, raise your hands. To all the muscle boys, the twinks and the bears. All the dykes, all the boys and the queers. All the fags, all the femmes, hear me now. Everybody, I don't need to shout, but there's a tranny in the house. All you boys and girls on the floor, step aside cause it's time for my time. I'm glad you all finally figured out that it's all about me now, cause there's a tranny in the house. Every time when I go to the club, I always see all the boys looking up. But did you know who always gets all the guys? The one who's captured every eye and heals 100 stars high. Because I know all about your wild side. Yes, I can tell you're into me by a mile. By your snarled little crooked half smile. So if you want it hot and heavy, call the tranny when you're ready. Okay, stop your talk. Everybody please. I'm trying to hear the DJ. I said stop your talking. Stop talking, bitch. Your mouth had better quit, cause honey, this is the best bit.